Falcons, and welcome to the Early Bird Show. Today is Tuesday, February 21st, 2023.
Please stand for the pledges to the flags.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to the Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. Please join us for a moment of silence.
Thank you, and please have a seat.
Now for today's weather. Today in Carrollton, it will be cloudy with a high of 84 degrees and a low of 58 degrees.
It's getting warmer.
Why is it warmer? Oh yeah, because it's Texas.
Today's lunch options are popcorn chicken salad or rice and beans.
Yum. Bet you didn't know, catnip can affect lions and tigers the same way it does to house cats. Because they're cats.
But they're way bigger.
They're still cats.
In 1948, NASCAR started.
And race cars. Now here's Josiah for So Cute I Can.
Goffin's cockatoos have been added to the short list of non-human animals that use and transport sets of tools. Researchers show that the cockatoos carry multiple tools to their work site when the job calls for it. This type of behavior has only been previously reported in chimpanzees. Now a team of researchers have used controlled experiments to clarify that the cockatoos do indeed recognize when a job requires more than one tool and will come prepared.
Wow. Weird but true. Venus is the hottest planet in the solar system with temperatures of over 842 degrees.
Wait, it should be Mercury because it's closest to the sun.
Wrong.
Clearly. Now for the joke of the day. Hey Evan, what do librarians use when they go fishing?
I don't know, what?
Bookworms.
That's all for today. Let's say our motto together.
Doing your best is the key to success. I choose excellence.
I'm Evan.
And I'm Carter. That's Larry and that's Fiona. Until next time, fly high, Falcons. Bump, 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 bump. See you next time.